Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery. It's on sat nav at the moment, but if we just click the telephone button, it comes up no phone connected, connect to device now. Well, you don't want to connect to device, you want to delete it. So you think you'd put no, but you don't. You put yes. So you click on yes, you've got search for Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth at the top. You see there's a tick in the Bluetooth. If you're having problems connecting your mobile, make sure there's a tick there. Make system discoverable, list of paired devices. That's what we want, list of paired devices. And you'll see there Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Well, there's no phones connected at the moment, but click on that, delete pairing for Barry's iPhone, yes. And then we'll just do these while we're at it. Delete pairing, yes. Delete pairing, yes. That's it, all gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is on like so. Over to the system, we'll click telephone. There's nothing connected, no phones connected at the moment. No phone connected, connect to device now, yes. So we're watching out at the bottom. Search for Bluetooth devices. Discovery Sport is searching. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Click on that. Pairing Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Does the passkey match? Yes, it does. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Barry's iPhone 12 has been paired successfully. That's it. If I can just find it. Discovery Sport connected. I'm using that one at the moment, so that's the other one. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery. So first of all, to your music, you'll see there at the bottom, that's iTunes, but it'll work on anything. So you see at the bottom, Discovery Sport. If there's no tick there, or if you can't see Discovery Sport, just click on the triangle with the 3 silver circles, and as I say, there's iPhone, there's Discovery Sport. So tick next to that. That means any music, any audio that will play through here, if you've got the audio system set up correctly, it will come through the speakers. So what we need to do now is, as you can see there, this is set to auxiliary. Now we want Bluetooth, so we click the musical note there, the clapperboard, and then source, then Bluetooth audio. We'll just turn this down, turn that back, turn it down, turn this up. Can't play it too long or else I'll get a copyright strike, as I always say. And I'm going to investigate what music I can play without upsetting people. So that's it. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, the circle here with the arrow in it, click on there. Sometimes if it's the first time you click it, you'll get a black screen with click this and promise you're not going to get distracted. So you have to do that before you get to this screen. If you click it again, you've then got the next menu, where to, map view, favorites, information. So anyway, that map view, but as I say, if you click that, it brings up this menu, where to, that's what we want. We want address, recent, and so on. So we want address, enter postcode, that's the simplest. Again, a lot of people complain about this system in the Land Rovers and Range Rovers, but it's dead easy. It's a no-brainer. It's what should be in a car. If you have to start thinking about how to use things, it shouldn't be in a car. It's stupid. So here we go. We've got the keyboard. So we're Grosvenor Garage. We've changed our address. We've moved. So it's Blackburn Road, PR5. A lot of systems you would have to put a space in because it's only 2 digits, but the Land Rover system you don't. So PR54 E 4EA. That's it, PR5 4EA. Click on there just to confirm it's working the route out. That's it, yes. And if I turn that up, sorry, if I turn that up, play voice guidance prompts, that's what we want.
Please turn right in 3/4 of a mile.
So if you're not getting any sound, if you're not getting any audio instructions, basically the 3 dots there, click on the 3 dots and you've got a little box there, play voice guidance prompt. And you've also got, which is a good thing, when you get near enough your home destination and you're fed up of listening to the voice, because it always comes on right in the middle of a bit of news or whatever you want to listen to, and you can stop guidance like so. Stop guidance, yes. That's it. Thanks for watching.